What's up guys, it's Hanif here. Welcome to a quick walkthrough video where I show you guys how I edited this backlit portrait. As you can see the before and after of this image. I'm going to walk you guys through how I edited this backlit portrait and also give you guys a free preset. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and also turn on my notifications to be notified whenever a new video drops. So let me walk you guys real quick through the the color grading process for this image. So the first thing I did here was I increased the temperature a bit, just a little bit, and my exposure a bit, and then I reduce my highlights. You can see the before and after here. Use my highlights. Also my shadows, I just split my shadows around, and then the blacks. For backlit portraits, you want to reduce the highlights so the colors from the light behind comes out. As you can see the colors here behind the hair. Yeah, so you would want to do that for backlit portraits. So I reduce saturation a bit because I like reduce my saturation a bit. And the next thing I did there was my RGB. I added a bit of fade and brought down the shadows for contrast. Lifted my midtones a bit and reduced my highlights, of course, because I would want the backlights to show. And I also adjusted just my whites a bit. I dropped my whites down a bit. The next thing I did here was my reds. I reduced my reds by a little so I can have that little blue in the highlights. And then my blue channel, I added a little bit of red shadows and lifted my red. I didn't actually do any adjustments here. Yeah, I would just add a bit of blue to the highlights as well from the blue channel. Next thing I did was reduce the saturation on my green because I really don't like too much greens in my images, and reduce the saturation on my blue as well because I don't like that either. I also added blues to the highlights because I want blues in the highlights. Yeah, so then the next thing I did in this image was sharpen it, obviously, as you can see, and also play around my camera calibration. You guys can play around with the free presets I'm going to give you guys. So you can download presets. Link is in the description below. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.